Hey, are we live? Are we live? All right, let's go. Hey, what's happening, guys? Uh, so I just made a TikTok post about what I want to do today. Um, but well, what I want to start doing. So I want to document some of my work, and I'm hoping people will follow along. Really, but if they don't, that's also cool. So I'm gonna get going on building a Laravel project. So my idea for this app here. All right, I've got. So this is what I want to call it. I've got the app already kind of semi-installed. So let's just head into it. Okay, what do we got? Okay, I am using cursor because I like to cheat. Um, it is raining. I should. When we'll start. There we go. So we're gonna go composer dev. I should start my dev server now. There we go. Okay, what have we got? Brand new Laravel project. I don't know if I've got a database set up for it, but let's have a look. Yeah. Oh wait, that's not the right one. What is this? Should have a database set up. I don't know what's going on in this country at the moment, but let's see what we got. All right. Okay, so I've got nothing registered. It's just a basic. There's a session there. I'm assuming this is the session that we're going here. Let's register and see what logic um, I have in this app. I want to do something for the social media space, um, meaning maybe doing a content calendar or something like that. So let's do that first. I've got a app here, but I don't like this layout, so let's rip that apart. So let's go by app, um, app.blade. Okay, so we've got this. I don't want this. We can leave the navigation, but I'm probably going to rip it apart as well. Let's remove this. Let's remove this and that. Okay, what have we got now? Cool. I want to change this out to a yield. I don't know why. I just like the yield more. Yield content. Thank you. Now it's going to bomb. Pretty sure. Okay, so we got nothing. All right. Let's go to my navigation. I don't know if I want to support dark mode yet, so maybe we can go ask cursor to remove all dark mode classes because I don't want to do that. I also don't like to use the compose for cursor because sometimes it goes haywire. All right, let's accept all. Let's have a look. Are we good? Okay. I did not do the text, but I'm assuming that it's because this item is hidden. Which tells me I need to bring it back. So I just bring it back. Undo. Bring it back because it's also going to ruin some people's days. So let's just go here and say dark beachy grey. Okay, fine. Let's just leave it in dark mode for now. I do want to just remove this. I don't like this. I want to use up all the space. Perfect. Okay. I don't want to do too much here, so let's just hide this for now. Now we've got a drop down with a profile, which I'm not going to again use for now. I'm not going to change out the logo for now either. Let's just go in and create a web route. Let's go route get I'm going to just skip ahead of that, and I'm going to just call this calendar. Is that how you spell calendar? Yes. Okay. This doesn't exist, so we'll need to create that. Let's just duplicate you. Call you calendar dot blade. This is not going to work, so I need to. I don't know why I didn't copy it out, but we're going to extend that calendar. Great. So now, if I visit my calendar, that's his calendar. Let me just go give it a class and dark text white. I should be able to see this now. Why are we not seeing it? Yeah, text white. Okay, maybe not applying the dark class by itself, because the dark class should be based on the system. I don't really see it happening. Anyway, excuse me for sniffing. Now, do I build the UI first for a calendar? Let's just update this to being a content calendar. Yeah, I suppose. Wonder if I can just ask this guy to build a please build a calendar UI using Tailwind CSS. But if that isn't gonna give me what I want, I'm trying to go as fast as I can with this. So let's see what I can find. Am I even? This is the new version. Plus. I can't remember if I've got access to this. Let's see. I do. Save that. Alright, let's look at the UI blocks. Let's see what we've got. I just want plain HTML stuff. We got marketing, better workflow. What is Pentagrid? Multi-con dashboard, section heading. So maybe let's grab a section heading as well while we are here. What do we want it to look like? I don't even know. No, I think I'm going to overcomplicate. Now let's just get that calendar, which should be I remember there being a calendar. Let's just see what we find. Oh, this is new. Isn't that new? I don't remember this. Yeah, man, I swear there was a calendar. No, it doesn't look like they got that anymore. Am I imagining things? UI blocks. Content section, landing. E-commerce application UI. Okay, maybe I'm smoking the socks here. Yeah, it looks like I'm smoking the socks. So what am I looking at now? I'm looking at UI blocks. UI kit is this. It's very nice. I haven't seen any of these. This is obviously a new update. It is pouring right now. Okay, let's do I look at the document? Catalyst, Catalyst, that's React, isn't it? Stop that. Pretty sure the Catalyst is React. Getting started, television, before we get started, React. Catalyst, Tailwind CSS. Alright, so this is using headless, but it's still running on React, and I want to use React. I just want to, again, I'm trying to get something up and running as fast as possible. Let's see what has Cursor done for us. Let's apply what I've asked it to do. Oh, it's already got this, but I don't have controllers for it, so this is going to bomb. This is my issue with AI, man. Let's apply all. It's trying to do all these clever things, but again, there's no controller for that, except or that did nothing. Oh, it's annoying. Alright, that doesn't have the heading, so this is going to go below here, I'm assuming, and we are going to bomb. Okay, oh no, it didn't. Why is it doing that? Full flex on this item, flex items to justify between. So that the heading is done right. The days run in grid. Do I say grid row? Grid dash row. Do that in one row. Nope. Oh, wait a second. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why am I doing massive running? Okay, so this needs to be grid call 7, not grid call 1. But why aren't you for each? Yeah, I don't know what it's doing. I don't want to go through all of this stuff. This is not in line. Also, grid call 7. Why is it not doing it? Okay. Let me help you. Okay, but help you with what? You are not doing what I want you to do. So we got this guy. Do I need to? So we got for each. We're running the labels through, and then maybe I have to do this. Call span 1. Will that do it? It's still giving me. Do we have a grid call 7? Should be up to 12. Grid. Is it call? Yeah, this isn't working. This is the problem with this AI bullshit, man. Let me just. Text. I've got a max width requirement, so that's width is full. Let's just double check this bad boy. If I give you a border, we are filled to the brim, so there we go. This navigation works perfect, but that's because it's flex. This is a grid. Calling grid call span. So we're saying the column is 7. We're keeping it a margin bottom, but why? Calls. Why is it not running in a row? Because I mean, if I run flex on this, and then we'll just say justify between, that'll do it, but I mean, that's not really what we want. Why is the grid not working, man? I'm not sure why. Let's maybe grab this and then just give it a that's running on the inside. Where's this? This doesn't have. Let me re-add that border. Okay, so now we got a full width. So now I'm gonna remove that MX auto because we're running full width, so that doesn't make sense. I'm gonna remove this because we're running full width. And now I'm gonna just go and say MX, let's go with 12. In Y we're gonna go, let's also go for 12 for now. I think 12's gonna be, none of that's running. Why are you doing this? Is it in the app? Otherwise, do we do, not that, but let's just go P12. Let's hack it. This is kind of what we, why is it, it's running full width. Something is fucking up this thing. Let's just, I don't know why I got that. I don't know why I got that. Yeah. Okay, let's just remove these comments so that I can just uncomment this whole grid out and just see what we've got. So now, we're back to this. Max width full width MX order. So here, I'm gonna remove that, but I don't know why it's filling the screen. It's filling the. Wait, it's stopping here. But where? Why is the padding not running all the way around? Did I not specify? Wait a second. Wait a second. Why are you there? Because that's because of the grid. So I'm in the flex. So I can go back to you. We're gonna run flex and justify between on you. That's my day. It shouldn't be showing you the number because I'm commenting that out. I don't know why it's doing that. Here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to call flex justify between, but that's going to flex this, this is not what I want. So what happens when I say grid call span 1 and then prop this with a border? It's not doing what I want. That is not doing what I want. Can that we got day range for each that's running in a grid. Okay, but this for each. So here, then the come on. I'm gonna grab another div, and we're gonna just move that up. Come on. That, and I'm gonna go class of flex justify between. There we go. Alright, so that's our days. That's those days. So those days are sorted. Shall I remove this? Aspect square. Give you a border. Why are none of these? Is this running slow? Why is it running so slow? Okay, so kind of just want to build this from scratch. Fuck this noise. What happened to the rest of my... You asshole. I think that's the problem, isn't it? Where's the rest of my... Oh, you see what the problem is here. Why did it do that? I'm going to extend again. I don't know what the hell it's doing. I'm gonna duplicate you. Leave on that side so I can see what in the hell's going on here. Not sure why it's doing that. I am not sure why it's doing that. Let me do... Trying to move things in the right place so that I can see what's going on. Alright. We're running calendar. Why is it there? I'm editing the completely wrong... Yo, guys. Why did you make... This is the bullshit, man. Delete that shit. I'm editing a file that Cursor just decided to make. Why on earth would it do that? Oh, now we've got it. There we go. Ridiculous, honestly. I know it's... I mean, doing things like quickly remove classes for me is great and all, but fuck me, that was annoying. Just remove that. Recalling flex. Again, I'm not sure why this is doing that. So shall we call flex justify between? Don't know if that's going to do what I wanted to do. It doesn't look like it's doing what I wanted to do. Oh man, this is annoying. Between. It put a fucking div at the end. Why would it do that? I don't understand what Cursor's thinking half the time. Oh, alright, let's we do that. Jump to there, do that, great. Now we can go back here and we're just gonna remove that class. Alright. So we got this range 25, 29, 1 to 31. Why do we want to do this? This is not feeling so lekker. Yeah. Chuck, you can't just ask it to do a whole list of things, you know. I'm gonna just delete all of this. Honestly, I can't. I don't even know where to begin. What? It's almost like you don't have familiarity with the code, so it starts to confuse you. So let me go. Let's start from the beginning. All right. This component will be full size. So let me just create a div. This div will have a class of full with a border. There it is, and a height of full. All right. There's not going to be anything in there because obviously we don't have the date set. Okay. So we want to do a section, almost like a navigation section. So let's just create a navigation section. We'll comment that, and then we will have the weekday label. All right, and then section, nice. Then we've got the day section. I don't want an event section. We're just going to have the day section. The day section is going to be tiled and it's going to be square. All right. Okay, so now in the week section, what do you want to do now? All right, can live with that. Previous, this needs to be next, space. Okay, and then I'm gonna pull that out, and I'm gonna create another div, and this will be a class. Come on, class of flex. We're gonna just justify between. Thank you. Okay, now previous and next. Great. I don't know why I did that. So navigation stays fine. Here we want to do, see if it gives me, no man, why is it doing that? We want to go, we're going to do a div, div, and inside this div we're going to do a class of grid call 7, blah, blah, blah. As day is day, but I don't have day defined, so that's going to give me issues. Okay, it's going to give me issues. Bam. Oh, eyes. Okay, so I need to declare the days. We did it here. There. So I'm going to grab that. So I don't think it's going to change, yeah? And now, mysteriously, it works. Oh man, alive. Alright, so I want to go text gray. Is that going to work? Yeah. Okay, so here we go. We got our next. We've got the days. And I think I need to give you guys all a border. And we can remove that gap. That gap's going to be insane. I don't want that gap. Cool. Okay, so we are making headway. Now, we're going to do day 1 to 35. Boom. Thanks for playing. And we are going to go here and also say text gray. Cool. And I want to make your aspect square. Hey, there we go. And then gap is why I was doing the gap the whole time. I hate you. Okay, there we go. We've got our gap. Now, my friend, is the calendar view. Does nothing, to be fair. Does nothing. Okay, so that's done there. And we want the current month in here as well. No, man. Just for item flex, we're gonna go with full. No. Flex. Why did that do that? Okay, let me just remove that. Oh, I see the problem. We're missing a with full justify center. Great. I don't want this to be a button. This is gonna be an H2, and we want to do current month. And yeah, current month is not a thing. So can I do yeah, boom. Thank you. Now it's easy. Now this section we want to do a px12, and we're gonna do a py of 4. Thank you. And we can remove this border. Okay. Now this section is done. Now the labels, we are gonna do. Do we do the same thing? No, we do not do it that way. We need to set this as a height to is 12. I think 14 is gonna be better, and we're gonna have to just say item center. And then here we'll have to say height full. Is the border on there? Justify center, item center, which I will also then to call flex. All right, perfect. This is where we are. So we've got our Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. That's all in this guy. So do I then go here and say mx12, my12? Why does it move over that way? I don't understand why it does that. That should not do that. With should I say max with 7XL, and then let's maybe grab all of this, pop that in another div, and like that, and then here we're going to call with full with dash full, like that. Is it the with full that's the issue? It looks to be the problem. Yeah, that is the problem. Let's remove the height full as well, because something that's irrelevant. There we go. Maybe instead of aspect square, we're going to say aspect video, because that's going to be a 16 by 9. Now that looks dog shit. Square. All right, cool. Yeah, that's that. So these are my dates. Wonder if I go here, give you a class of border, and then I make you rounded, That's not what we want, is it? I'm having power issues. Gotta stop. All right, I'll carry